What's up, guys? It's your boy Steve coming at you with another rendition of Pokey and the Kid. Today we're going to be opening up these Crown Zenith tints with Moltres, Articuno, and Zapdos. Which tin will have the better pulls? Well, let's find out. 15 packs Crown Zenith. Opening up packs right about now. Alright, so we have all three cards from the tins. We got that Galarian Zapdos. We got that Galarian Articuno. And we got that Galarian Moltres, which has to be my favorite out of the trio. Set those off to the back. And for the main attraction, we have 5 cards each. 10. Total 15 packs. Crown Zenith. Dive right on into it. Let's see what we get. For those of us joining us today, I want to say welcome. Been a little while, but we are back. Alright. Let's go forward to the front. Going to be that V-Star marker. So let's set where we get. Alright. So we got a Salazzle. We got Dusclops. We got Meditang. We got Cherubi. We got Young Goose. We got Riolu. We got Scyther. We got that Energy Search. Okay. We got that Deoxys, a V-Star. Very nice looking card, and a Whale Lord showing off them teeth. Showing that we don't have no cavities. Got that Deoxys V-Star. Very nice, vibrant looking card. I do love the artwork on that. Let's go ahead and let's grab a sleeve. Alright. So we're starting off the opening with a banger. Again, I want to welcome everybody. If it's your first time, welcome. We're a positive group here, mainly for the collection. Been collecting for a minute now, and just enjoying opening packs, seeing what we get, and yeah. Let's go ahead and guess that energy. Let's say grass. Oh, okay, it's that fire. So we got electric. We got that rescue carrier. We got giraffe. We got Cherubi. We got Yungoos. We got Emolga. We got Scyther. We got Starly. Okay, we got Manaphy in the Galarian. And we got, okay, a holographic Zacian. Not too bad. I do like that artwork though on the Manaphy. It is really nice looking. Beautiful card. Alright, let's go ahead and sleeve this bad boy up right here. And I'll go ahead and sleeve that Zacian. Alright, let's get into the next pack. It has been a minute since we've been on the channel. A lot of stuff's been going on. And we're just glad to be back here. Product has been kind of hard finding, especially for Crown Zenith. However, Scarlet and Violet have hit these shelves. And we got a couple of booster bundle packs we'll be opening up on the channel, as well as coming soon the ETBs that we're receiving. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get into this next pack. Let's go ahead and say, let's say water. Ooh, fighting. Okay. So we got Dusclops. We got Metang. We got Energy Switch. We got Core Fish. We got Aron. We got Potion. We got Steel. We got Seal, I'm sorry. We got Oddish. Okay, we got the Reverse Energy. And we got an Animarus as the non-holo rare. I'm going to go ahead and say that Dark Energy. That is a nice looking card. Set that off to the back. Getting into the next pack. So, for those of y'all that have opened up Crown Zenith, what has been your best pull so far? I think my best pull so far to Crown Zenith would have to be that Mewtwo V-Star. Very beautiful looking card nonetheless. Let's go ahead and get into this next pack. We got Energy. We got Energy Switch. We got Crocorock. We got Lunatone. We got Core Fish. We got Aron. We got Potion. We got Seal. We got Oddish. We got the Reverse Holo Scizor. And we got a Volcarona. I do like that artwork on that Scizor. Always been a fan of Scyther. And when Scizor first came out, I thought to myself, that's a very unique evolution for Scyther Psy. Alright, let's get into the last pack of the first 5. Again, for those of y'all who have opened up Crown Zenith, like I said, what has been your best pull? As well as what pulls are you still trying to get? Alright. Let's go ahead and guess the energy. Let's guess electric. Ooh, fighting. Okay. So we got that fighting energy. We got Venturin. We got Pokemon Catcher. We got Bisharp. We got Riolu. We got Aron. We got Kricketot. We got Seal. We got Oddish. We got Carvine as the non-holo rare. And we got... Okay. We got that Friends and Sinian. Nice looking card. All best buds. All together in a group. That is a nice looking card. I do like that artwork on it. Alright. So that first 10, not too bad. We got several pulls off of it. Let's get into the next 5. See what we get. For those of y'all that are getting the new Scarlet and Violet set, what has been your best pull so far? Or what pulls are you looking for? Alright. So we got that Psychic Energy. We got that Rescue Carrier. We got Electric. We got Digging Duo. We got Scyther. We got Starly. We got Riolu. We got Aron. We got Rockruff. Okay, we got the Entei. Nice looking card. Oh, doubling it up with the Charizard V-Star. It's a, how you say, a double banger. Alright. Let's go ahead and sleeve up these two bad boys. 10-2, not too bad. Already hitting us off with that first pack magic for it. All right. Next pack. Let's see what we get. What am I getting? That Giratina card. That would be a nice pull for me. All right, let's go ahead and guess Psychic. Ooh, Steel. Okay. We got Giraffe. We got Energy Switch. We got Crocorock. We got Bidoof chewing on that tree. We got Sunkern. We got get that Galarian Mr. Mime. We got Chatot. We got Cricketot. Okay, we got the Water Energy. And we got a Berserker. Non-hollow. Alright. Let's go ahead and sleeve up that water. Alright. Let's get into the next pack. Been watching a lot of content creators as of late, and I have been liking a lot of the interesting sets that they get into, and one of them is the new Scarlet Violet set. I am liking a lot of the alternate art cards, as well as the new EX cards that are in it. I think my favorite artwork so far is the Arcanine 4. That's like really, really nice looking as far as the artwork. But let's go ahead and get into this one. Let's go ahead and say, let's say Fire. Ooh, Water. Okay. So we got Ultra Ball. We got Crushing Hammer. We got Luxio. We got Energy Retrieval. We got Execute. We got Cherubi. We got Young Goose. Pokeball. Okay, we got an Oricorio. And we got Helloskis. Alright. Now we do have this Oricorio already, but it doesn't get hurt to put in the trade binder. Alright. Second to last pack in the second tin. And we're still pulling some hits, which isn't too bad. Alright. Let's go ahead and guess that, let's guess Steel. Ooh, Dark. Alright. So we got that Rescue Carrier. We got Salazzle. We got Carvine. We got Squirrel. We got Grubbin. We got Purloin. We got Sandlet. We got Coffin. We got Aaron in the reverse. And we got an Oranguru. Non-hollow. Alright. Last pack. Second tin. Let's see what we get. Giratina. We want the Giratina Gold. I was watching one of the content creators by the name of DK, and he was, I believe, opening the same style of tins, and he pulled gold. And I'm like, if he can pull gold, I can pull gold. Alright, so we got Chatot, we got Love Disc, we got a Molga, we got Young Mega in the reverse, and we got a Mewtwo Hollow. Okay. I do like Mewtwo. Alright. Let's go ahead and set these cards to the side, and I'll go ahead and sleeve up that Mewtwo. Alright. Okay, so we got the last 5 packs from Zenith. What will the last 10 provide for us? Alright. Alright, here we go. We got Trekking Shoes. We got Shaman. We got Friends and Hisui. We got Love Disc. We got Purloin. We got Rock Ruff. We got Execute. We got Cherubi. Okay, we got another Manaphy. And we got another Holosk. Alright. Not too bad, like I said. We double up. It just helps us out with the trade binder. Maybe somebody might need this Manaphy. And would like to trade for something that I might need. Alrighty. Get into this next pack here. Alright. Let's go 4 to the front. Let's go ahead and guess. Let's guess Psychic. Ooh, water. Okay. So we got Kakarot. We got Luxio. We got Friends in Hisui. We got Tangela. We got Pawnyard. We got Snorunt. We got Pancham. We got Shinx. We got Sunkern in the reverse. And we got an Execute. Picking up his feet. Marching on. Alright. Alright. Excuse me. Third pack. Only means 2 left. Alright. Let's go 4 to the front. Let's go ahead and guess. Let's guess. What haven't we said? Let's guess Fighting. Ooh, Steel. Okay. So we got Great Ball. We got Trekking Shoes. We got Luxio. We got Yanma. We got Chatot. We got Love Disc. We got Purloin. We got Rock Ruff. We got Gum Shoes as the reverse. And we got a Yanmega in the non-holo rare spot. Alright. 2 packs left. 2 packs left for the last 10. Let's go into the left one. We'll keep this one as the last pack. Alright. Alright, here we go. For the front, let's go ahead and guess, let's guess, Dark. Ooh, Fire. Alright, so we got Larion. We got Friends in Sinnoh. We got Gloom. We got Sunkern. We got the Galarian Mr. Mime. We got Potion. We got Bidoof. We got Pawnyard. Okay! Now that's what I'm talking about right there. We got the gold Arceus V-Star card. Very nice looking card. We did pull gold. We did pull a V-Star Arceus. That is such a nice looking card. It's not the Giratina that we wanted, but it is an Arceus. It is a V-Star. It is a gold card. We will take it. Alright. Last pack. Last pack magic will boop the Gonzo. Again, I want to thank everybody for joining me today. If this is your first time, like I said, feel free to check out the channel. Hit that like and subscribe button just so this way you can be subscribed to the channel, as well as hitting that icon bell that will notify you when we do post another video. Alright, last pack magic. Let's go ahead and guess Psychic. Oh, okay. So we got that Psychic. We got Trekking Shoes. We got Lunatone. We got Soul Rock. We got Larvesta. We got Shinx. We got Whelmer. We got Galarian Meowth. We got Baltoy. Okay, we got Barbaro in the Galarian. And we got Lycanroc. Alright. Let's go ahead and sleeve up this last card here. Let's go ahead and let's go over all these nice looking cards that we pulled today. So we got a Barrel, we got the Arceus V-Star, we got a Manaphy, we got a Hollow Mewtwo, we got that Oricorio, we got a Reverse Water, we got that Charizard V-Star, we got Entei full art, we got that Friends and Sinuan full art, we got that Dark reverse. We did get Zacian in the holographic. Another Manaphy. We get the nice looking Deoxys V-Star. And we got the 3 cards that were in the tins, which were the Zapdos, that Articuno, and that Moltres. Alright guys, well, I want to thank y'all again for joining me. Don't forget to watch the next video. We'll be opening up some Scarlet and Violet packs. And hopefully we'll have the ETBs in so this way we can open up those as well. But I want to say thank you for joining me. Hope y'all have a wonderful day, evening, morning, whatever time it is for you when you're watching this video. And remember, as always, you gotta catch them all. Till next time.